Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. And today we are looking at this charming village house in Autignac that's arranged over 3 floors. It's got 3 bedrooms, but the attic is being renovated with a potential for 2 more bedrooms and an extra lounging area and bathroom. So let me show you the house so that you can see exactly how it all flows. Just very quickly, massive, great big double doors to a garage. So that's really handy. Having parking is a real plus. So let me take you through to the house. And straight away we are in the corridor with the stairs that go up to the main living area. And to the right here is the garage. I'm just going to quickly show you this garage just to give you an idea of the size. It's a little dark. You've got the big double doors here. And then it is really quite deep. I think that gives you an idea of the size of the garage. Now, there's a well there as well on the left-hand side. I think you can see it just there. And there's a door at the end which leads out to a small courtyard. I'll show you the courtyard from the first floor because it's easier to see. But let's go up to the first floor and the main living quarters of the house. So it's quite a well-lit house actually, and it benefits from being painted in white. So there's a real feel of airiness, brightness, and just it's just clean. It's lovely, this house. So straight away on here on the right, you've got the kitchen. So the kitchen's been renovated recently and repainted, and I think it's rather classy. It's large enough for quite a large fridge freezer here on the side. Big windows, lots of light. You've got a gas hob, electric oven, and you've got quite a lot of cupboard space as well. The ceilings are very high as well. That adds to the feeling of airiness. But if that's not enough cupboard space for you, if you like to have a really large kitchen, then here, this door on the right leads to a pantry. And this is huge. So you can definitely store as much as you want in here. It's got 2 shelves, and again, really high ceiling. So if you wanted to, you could put more shelves in. Got further cupboards there. And it's got what looks like original terracotta tiles on the floor. So let me show you the rest of the house. So we're going to go back through to the corridor. These 2 doors on the right-hand side are actually cupboards. There is a lot of storage space in this house. Then just to the left here, we've got the shower room. So you've got a shower, wash basin, room for a washing machine there. And then just outside to the right, you've got the WC. Down the corridor, and on the right-hand side, you've got the first bedroom. Now, this bedroom is done very nicely, I think. It does not have a window, but actually it's so pretty. Got gorgeous wooden beams, tall white ceilings. Everything is bright and airy. And as I come in, you can see that there is space for a cupboard there in the corner and a little desk. And it's all been decorated ever so nicely. That bed's a super king, so it just gives you an idea of the size of the bedroom. The floor's been renovated as well. It's got wooden floors. And then further down the corridor on the right-hand side is bedroom number 2. So this bedroom is very light. It's got large windows that overlook the terrace. You've got another super king size bed. Lovely wooden beams on the ceiling. The floor's been redone. So you've got wood floors. And just to the right, you've got a little walk-in dressing room, which is basically all you really need. Nice and roomy. Got a set of drawers there. Really nice. Beautifully decorated. Then we go back out to the corridor, and I want to take you back through the corridor a little bit because I want to show you the living room area, which is just here on the right. And I think this living room area is really nice. It's ever so cozy. You've got room for 2 sofas, and you've got the screen there. Again, the floor's been redone. It's wooden floors. Really nice. And if I pan around, you've actually got a walkway right through to the dining area. That's just gorgeous. And you've got original tile here on the dining area as well. And I think, look at those tiles. They're absolutely magnificent. You've also got a fireplace on the left with a black marble mantle. And I think you would need to retube that fireplace in order to make it work, but it's definitely doable. Large windows with original metal closing. And a door that goes out onto the corridor and then onto the terrace. And this terrace is just delightful. So the window that you see just here is the window to the main bedroom. It's got high walls. And you've got space here for a nice L-shaped sofa, barbecue in the corner, and a little table. And the courtyard that I wanted to show you, this is all part of the house. There you go. So that's on the other side of the garage. Now that has loads of potential. There's actually an old stable that is off the courtyard, and that's quite a large room. So you could turn that stable into, say, for example, an artist room, an art studio, and then have flowers in pots, etc. down in the courtyard. You could really make something of it. It would be lovely. So back through the corridor, the dining room on the right, main bedroom on the left, just to remind you. Then the living room area on the right and the second bedroom on the left. And now we're going to go upstairs. And the third bedroom is upstairs, and the attic you'll see as well. So this stairwell has a Velux at the top end. You can see how tall those walls are, and there's the Velux. So that throws a lot of light into the stairwell. I'll just show you how it sort of all comes together. So coming up the stairs, you've got original tile as well at the top of the stairs. Very pretty. And then on the right, you've got the third bedroom, again, gorgeous tile. Really, really pretty. Another super king size bed, a mantle. Got large double windows, a lot of light. You've got the fixings there for a wash basin. It's not connected at the moment, but it's obviously there ready to be connected. It's a decent sized room. And I love those, the wrought iron works on the windows. Really gorgeous. So that's the finished part of the house. Let me show you the attic, which is currently being worked on. So let me come through this door here. Now this area is a bit raw, but you'll be able to see what the idea is. So you've got a Velux there. You've got an area here, which is the anticipated living room area, probably a screen on the wall there, a sofa. And then the two doors in front are plans to have 2 bedrooms. So let me go into this room first of all, because this has almost been done. You've got a Velux there, beautiful old beams in the ceilings, and space for another super king size bed. It's a really large room actually. Old original tile floor, as you would have found in the attic. So double doors coming out again into the anticipated living room area. And then this is the second bedroom. So again, it's got wooden beams. Those beams still need to be varnished. You've got a Velux in place. This room is a little bit more raw, but the idea is that this is going to be another bedroom. So this would be bedroom number 5. Okay. So the owners are also thinking of putting a bathroom here through that door. Plumbing is not yet up, but and it's a bit dark, but that's the idea, to have a bathroom here. So there's enough space for sure. And then this is all potential space, huge ceilings. So maybe you could have like a little galley kitchen in here, because might be nice to have a place where you can make popcorn whilst you watch a movie up here. And more space there. And there you have it. Gorgeous house in Autignac with 3 bedrooms, a lovely terrace, gorgeous dining area, huge garage, and the potential to have 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom and a seating area, maybe like a screen room, in the very pretty village of Autignac. Thank you so much for watching.